Motion and Time, Class 7, Chapter 13, Third Part. Speed. Distance traveled by an object in a unit time is called speed. Children, remember this. Distance traveled by an object in a unit time. So this is called speed. The SI unit of speed is meter per second, as the meter is the SI unit of distance and second is the SI unit of time. So SI unit of speed is meter per second. Other units like kilometer per hour, km/h, it is read as kilometer per hour, is also commonly used. Speed is a scalar quantity as it has magnitude only. It does not mention the direction of motion. Speed, it is represented by v equal to distance traveled divided by time taken, or we can say v is equal to s upon t. Now, those quantities which have both magnitude and directions are called vector quantity, and those which can be represented by only magnitude are called scalar quantity, like speed. Now, fastest animal on the earth is the cheetah. It can reach the speed of up to 110 km per hour. However, the cheetah can maintain this speed only for 3 to 4 seconds. Different objects move with different speed. A bicycle moves at slow speed. A car moves faster, whereas an aeroplane moves fastest. So the speed of an aeroplane is the highest as it can cover a particular distance in the shorter span of time, as the time is denominator. We can define speed as the ratio of distance covered to the time taken by a moving body. Measurement of speed. Speed is measured as distance traveled in unit time. Popularly, it is measured in miles per hour and kilometer per hour. When the speed is more, the time is conveniently reduced as speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second and the speed of light is 3 multiplied 10 power 10 centimeters per second. Calculations of speed. Let us see some example. First one, the distance between Delhi and Jaipur is 250 kilometers. A car takes 5 hours to cover the distance. Now calculate the speed of the car. Now in such question we have to check what things are given. Now given distance traveled by the car equal to 250 kilometer. Now time taken to cover from Delhi to Jaipur 5 hours. The time is 5 hours. Distance is given in kilometer and time is given in hours. Therefore, speed equal to distance divided by time taken. So 250 divided by 5 equal to 50 km per hour. If we want to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, then we have to multiply it by 5 by 18. 5 by 18 as 1 kilometer has meter 1000 and 1 hour has second 3600. So when we multiply it by 5 by 18, then we get the answer 13.89 meter per second. To convert speed in kilometer per hour to meter per second, we can multiply the answer in kilometer per hour by 5 by 18. Since 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 hour equal to 3600 second. Therefore, 1 kilometer per hour equal to 1000 meter divided by 3600 second. This give you 5 by 18 meter per second. Similarly, to convert speed in meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply the answer in meter per second by 18 divided by 5. For example, if it is 25 meter per second, then 25 multiply 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this gives you 90 kilometer per hour. Now, uniform and non-uniform motions or speed. Uniform motion or speed. The motion of a body is said to be uniform if it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, no matter how small these time intervals may be. Suppose a car travels down the road at a constant speed of 10 meter per second. It means that it travels 10 meter distance in every 1 second. So such motion or speed is called uniform. Non-uniform motion or speed. The motion of a body is said to be non-uniform if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Children, in the pic you are seeing the car travels 7 meter in the first second, and then 15 meter in the next second, and then again 4 meter in the next second, and then 14 meter in the next second. So the distance traversed, so these are unequal by the car, represent non-uniform motion. The motion of a body is said to be non-uniform if it covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. In a day-to-day situation, we rarely find cars moving at uniform motion or speed on the road because of heavy traffic, bad roads and traffic signals. Now the speedometer and odometer both are fitted in the dashboard of the car, lorry, buses and other vehicles, so they display the prevailing speed and distance traveled by the vehicle. The speedometer reads the speed directly in kilometer per hour, while the odometer reads the measure of distance moved by the vehicle in kilometer. Average speed. The average speed of a body is the total distance travelled by the body divided by total time taken to cover this distance. While travelling in a car, you may have noticed that it is very difficult to keep the speed of the car uniform because at many places brakes are to be applied to slow down or to stop the car due to various traffic conditions. So we calculate average speed. Average speed means total distance divided by total time taken. For example, for a car which travels a distance of 120 km in 3 hours, the average speed is 120 divided by 3 equal to 40 km per hour. This does not mean that the car is moving at this speed all the time. Now, for your information, electricity is conducted through wire at a speed of about 1,50,000 km per second. But the nerve impulse in our body travels at a maximum speed of about 100 meter per second only.